Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. From today we are going to learn C programming. So in our first video I'm going to show you how you can run C program in your PC. So to run a C program you need multiple things. At first you need a code editor. So for this tutorial I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, so I will download it. Okay, Visual Studio Code, you can just go to the Visual Studio Code and you can go to the download and go for the Windows or your operating system, according to your operating system. Okay, so for me Windows, and I have to click on the download and it will be actually start downloading. Here you can see, and I already downloaded it. Okay, and I already installed it. Here you can see Visual Studio Code, so I will open it, and here you can see this is the interface. And what you have to do, you have to create a folder for your C file. So here you can see open folder. I'm going to open a folder, and I'm going to go to the this browse driver. You can actually go to the any drive, or maybe you can go to the desktop. Where actually you want to save the file, right? Folder. So here I'm going to create a new folder. Let's name it C files. C files. Okay, and I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to go to the inside and then edit, and now you can see I have added this C files folder in our Visual Studio Code. Now I need to add some extension, so go to the extension here and go for code runner, and here you can see code runner, the first one. You just have to install it, trust publisher. Okay, and make sure to check the auto update here. Okay, so you can see I have already installed it, and now go for the next extension, that is called C++. You just have to write like this, and you can see we have two option here. So just go for the second one. You can see C++, no, not this one, this one, C or C/C++ extension pack. Okay, this one, and check the installing. Click for the installation. Okay, you can see now we have installed it successfully. So our extension installation done. Now go for the Explorer. Okay, and to run a C file you need a compiler. So we just have to download MinGW compiler. Okay, to run code. So here you can see MinGW. You just go to the MinGW and then go for the download. Click on the download, and you can see it will start download after countdown, and here it is. So we just have to install it. Double click on it, or maybe you can single click on it, and then click on the installation and select the drive. For me, C drive. So continue. So you can see now complete. Now go for the continue, and we are in the MinGW installation manager, and from here we just have to download we just have to check just basic MinGW installation. So we just have to mark for installation this one, okay, these two. So just go for installation and apply changes, apply. Okay, everything is done. Now close it, and we just have to go to the file manager, and here I have installed it in C drive. So I'll go to the C drive, and here you can see MinGW, right? Go for the bin and just copy the path, Control C, or just copy it, and go for the search option, and here type environment, and you will find it, edit system environment. So just click on it and go for the environment variables here, and then go for the path. Here you can see path, and double click on it, or edit, click on the edit. Okay, and click here new, and just paste here the path. Okay, and that's it. Now click on okay, and then final. Okay, done. Now we can actually run it. So go here, and now we just have to some settings, few more settings. Okay, and we just have to go here. So we just have to go here and just go to the preference settings, then go for code runner. Okay, search here code runner, and okay, this one, code runner, run in the terminal. Okay, just check this one. Why? Because actually want to run the code in the terminal. Okay, so we need the terminal. So if you don't check it, it will not actually show in the terminal. So to run a code in the terminal, you just have to check it. Okay, that's it. Now everything is done. Now we just have to restart the Visual Studio Code, and everything is done. Now actually we can create C file, and then we can run the C program. Okay, so from our next video we will actually start running C program or C code. Okay, so in the next video, till then, goodbye.